Hello guys, so today we will be doing another important topic on mole concept. So very simple topic but looks very ambiguous, confusing. So I have taken this 10 to 15 minutes from your precious time to explain you whatever that is meant by volume strength of. So our topic is basically volume strength of H2O2. H2O2 is a very important reagent in case of chemistry. It can act as both oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So definitely whichever can act as both oxidizing and reducing agent has its profound effect on various mole concept problems. So first of all, what does this mean? Sometimes if you in your laboratory, in your school, you will see a bottle of H2O2 is there and something like this is written there. 30 volumes of H2O2. Okay, 30 volumes of H2O2. So this is written there and we get confused, what does this mean exactly? Does it mean 30 milliliter or 30 liter? 30 liter तो possible नहीं है, बहुत बड़ा होगा, 30 milliliter हो सकता है. ठीक है. So what does this exactly means? It doesn't mean 30 milliliter, it cannot mean 30 liter, something else. So what does H2O2 provides us? First of all, let's go through that. H2O2 basically provides us with oxygen, that we know, right? So how does it do it? It does it by this reaction, right? 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. Okay. See, this means there is some X molarity, okay, of H2O2 solution is there. Some X molarity of H2O2 solution is there, whatever it is, I don't know. So this X molarity of H2O2 solution, if I take 1 liter of this solution, 1 liter, so molarity over here is X, volume is 1 liter. If this is the solution I take for this H2O2, this will give me a 30 liter of oxygen on its decomposition, 30 liter of O2 on its decomposition. ठीक है, 30 liter of O2 on its decomposition at STP. ठीक है, this is what it means, nothing else. Clear? So definitely we need to do some case study to ascertain whether we are doing it or understanding it correctly or not. So don't worry बेटा, सब कुछ आराम से हो जाएगा. ठीक है, we'll take 4 case studies in this case. I hope I can finish within the time that I have promised you. It's very easy, don't have to worry. 4 examples will be enough. So we'll take my first case study, that is number 1. Okay, it is given 1 liter and 3 molar. Okay, 1 liter. 1 liter means volume is 1 liter. Molarity is given as 3 molar. 3 molar H2O2 solution is given. So you have to convert it into volume strength. So how do I do it? So I need to write this H2O2 as some volume, 50 volumes, 20 volumes, whatever it is. So we'll do it. So first of all, see, we'll write the equation. 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. Okay, we'll write this. Now from this equation, it is pretty clear to you that 2 moles of H2O2 on decomposition at STP gives 1 mole of O2. Clear? This 1 mole of O2 is basically equal to 22.4 liters of O2 at STP, right? So if I want from 1 mole of H2O2, then it should be 11.2 liters at STP. Now how many moles do I have at this moment? I didn't calculate the moles, right? So in these cases I need to calculate the moles given here. So from volume and molarity, can I calculate moles? Definitely I can calculate, because moles is equal to what? Molarity into volume, that is moles. ठीक है, molarity into volume in liters. So moles over here is 3 and volume is 1. So this is 3 moles. Simple. ठीक है, clear? Now 3 moles will give me 33.6 liters of H2O2 at STP. So this part, whatever the case was given, it is basically 33.6 volumes H2O2. That is what I need to label on the bottle. So I will be given a bottle with 1 liter capacity and 3 molar. I can directly write the volume strength as 33.6 volumes H2O2. ठीक है, because it gives 33.6 liters of O2. Clear? I hope everything is getting clear धीरे धीरे. ठीक है, so this is my case study 1. नेक्स्ट वन, लेट्स टेक नंबर 2. अभी क्या करते हैं, अभी हम वॉल्यूम दे देते हैं, उससे हम कुछ और निकालते हैं. ठीक, लेट्स नाउ टेक द वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ. सपोज ए बॉटल इज गिवन टू यू, सो लेट्स मेक दिस 2. लेट्स टेक द नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, नाइस. 30 वॉल्यूम, द वन वी हैव टेकन अर्लियर. 30 वॉल्यूम. So from 30 volume H2O2, what things we need to find out? I need to find out number 1 molarity. Okay, I'll find out molarity, no problem. Number 2, I need to find out normality. Okay, we'll find normality, no problem. Number 3, I'll find percentage by weight. ठीक है, percentage by weight. Okay, we'll find out percentage by weight, no issues. Number 4, we need to find out the density, rho density. ठीक है, so one by one we are going to find out all these things. So here it is given 30 volume. ठीक है, so how will I go about it? See, molarity is not given. I'll write the equation. My first step is to write the equation. So I'll write the equation simply 2H2O plus O2. ठीक है, last case में we used to write that this is 2 moles and this is 1 mole. लेकिन इसमें आपको मोल मालूम नहीं है, वॉल्यूम मालूम है. ठीक है, नो वरीज, जस्ट राइट द सेम थिंग. 2 moles, दिस इज 1 mole मीन्स 22.4 liters. ठीक है ना, सो 1 mole इज इक्वल टू, इट विल गिव आउट 11.2 liters. हो गया, क्लियर गाइज. नाउ what is the exact case over here? Do I know what is the molarity of the solution? I don't know. Okay, done. So I don't know what is the molarity of the solution. So I'll just assume it is x molar and 1 liter. So if I assume this, I get the number of moles, right? So what is the number of moles from here? X, right? Clear? Molarity into volume, x. Clear hai? After it is clear, I can really put over here. So x will give how many liters? X will give over here 11.2 into x liters. Clear? 11.2 into x liters. So this should be the volume strength, right? x mole, क्योंकि x mole 1 लीटर में ही था, तो this should be the volume strength. The given volume strength is 30. So I equate it with according to the question. So x will be simple 30 by 11.2, 2.678. ठीक है, this is the molar, this is x molar. X is molar, so x molar हो गया. Now we'll calculate. So molarity I have found out 2.678. This is the molarity. Next is normality. See, normality means what? I have already taught you. Normality is n factor into molarity. So y and all those things has been already taught. So I'm not going into that. So n factor of H2O2. See, H2O2 structure is like this. ठीक है, this is H2O2 structure. So definitely there are 2 ionizable hydrogens, though it is not a what do you say, it is not a acid, but its n factor is 2. ठीक है, ठीक है ना, its n factor is 2. So normality is 2 into 2.678, whatever the answer is, something like 5.3, 5.4 will come, so that will be the answer. ठीक है, so now you have got molarity. Can you calculate number of moles? Yes, definitely. What is moles? Moles also it will be x into 1 liter, so 2.678 moles. Can you calculate the weight from moles? Yes, the molecular weight of this is 34 gram. ठीक है ना, 1 16 16 1 17 into 2 34 grams. So 2.678 into 34, whatever be the answer, that should be it. I think it is 91.07 gram. ठीक है ना, 91.07 gram is there in the H2O2 solution. Now the next step is to find out the density. See, density is already you have got, because this gram is already in 1 liter of the solution. So density you have got 91.07 ग्राम पर लीटर, ठीक है ना, दैट इज डेंसिटी 91.07 ग्राम पर लीटर. You want to calculate the percentage by weight, no problems. See, the water solution is more or less having 1000 kg per meter cube, so that is 1 gram per liter only. So you have to find out the percentage by weight. Definitely that means you need to write down the weight of H2O2 first, that is 91.07 91.07. now the total solution का कितना होगा, तो देखो सॉल्यूशन में आपको ग्राम निकालना है, टोटल ग्राम्स कितना है सॉल्यूशन में, ठीक है, टोटल ग्राम्स कितना है, वाटर का कितना पोर्शन है वो निकालना पड़ेगा. 1 लीटर में वाटर कितना रहता है, कितना केजी रहता है, ठीक है, वो दैट थिंग यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट, दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स, ठीक है. सो 91.07 एंड द टोटल सॉल्यूशन विल बी 1 लीटर. सो 1 लीटर इज बेसिकली 1000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, so that is 1000 gram. So just write 1000 gram over here into 100 because you need to calculate percentage. So this is 9.1% approximately, right, 9.107. clear hai guys? So that is how you calculate one by one whenever there is too many things are asked. But see how I have proceeded. I have proceeded one by one, ठीक है. I have calculated the moles because I am very much comfortable with moles. So I first calculated the moles by taking something that was not there. I just assumed it, calculated, equated it. I got molarity, I got moles straight away. ठीक है, clear? So I think धीरे धीरे you are getting to know how to do this kind of problems. Next problem what I want to do is I'll give you the density and you have to find out the volume strength. ठीक है, अभी volume strength से density we have found out. Now we will give you the density, up to find out the volume strength. This problem was asked in WBJE, I think 1997, the last one I have done. So number 3. Okay, now the gram per liter is given. Gram per liter is given as 30.35. So 30.35 gram per liter is given. What does this mean? This is H2O2. So this means volume is 1 liter, ठीक है ना, and mass that is given, mass is 30.35 gram H2O2. So definitely you can calculate moles from here. Just 30.35 divided by 34 moles. Moles मिल जाता है तो बहुत easy हो जाता है. Next is you write the equation 2H2. This is very easy. 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. Now 2 moles 22.4, 1 mole 11.2, ठीक है ना. Next this much mole 30.35 by 34. So this will be, you can calculate it by yourself. The answer will be approximately 10. So answer is 10 volumes. ठीक है, answer is 10 volumes. clear है? So here what I did, I first found out the moles. moles निकालने से काम easy हो जाएगा. So 2 moles 22.4, 1 mole 11.2, जितना मोल निकालो उतना मोल कर दो, खत्म. यूनिटरी मेथड. You can use the ratio method also, whatever you are comfortable with. The last one, the case study 4. In this case, this is a nice problem. Here they have given, I have just pictorially I am just representing 25 milliliter H2O2 solution is there, ठीक है. 25 milliliter H2O2. देखो मोलरिटी नहीं दिया है, नॉर्मलिटी नहीं दिया है. इसके अंदर you give acidified Ki, that is potassium iodide. After this the reaction happens and some I2 is liberated. On this I2 you give 20 milliliter of 0.3 normal, 20 milliliter of 0.3 normal sodium thiosulfate to decolorize this I2. ठीक है, I2 is decolorized. So it is clear whatever I2 is given, that is taken up by Na2H2O3. Now what I have to find out in this case, I need to find out the volume strength of this. ठीक है, volume strength. So no need to worry, एकदम easy question है. Now what happens is, in this kind of question we try to find out the equation. So if you run behind the equation, you will be in problems. You don't need to run behind the equations because normality is given. We know whenever we talk with normality, there is no need of equation, no need of balancing. Equation किस लिए लिखते हैं? Balancing के लिए. But if there is no need of equations at all, why do you balance or why did you write the equation at all? So क्या करेंगे इसको? इसको देखो, इसका तो हमको कुछ मालूम नहीं है ना, इसका नॉर्मलिटी हमको मालूम नहीं है, जो होने से अच्छा होता है, तो x नॉर्मल ले लो, ठीक है. सो सी here you can understand Na2S2O3 whatever S2O3 whatever amount is there, that is equivalent to whatever I2 that is liberated. This is equivalent to 25 milliliter of X normal. ठीक है ना, क्लियर है. अभी देखो इसको, Na2S2O3 कितना है? 20 मिलीलीटर 0.3 नॉर्मल. तो इसको क्या करेंगे? इक्विवेलेंट करेंगे. I2 इक्विवेलेंट 25 मिलीलीटर X नॉर्मल एंड दिस इज Na2S2O3. ठीक है, दिस इज Na2S2O3. ठीक है ना. सो इससे I2 निकला, I2 बीच का आदमी है, इससे I2 निकला, I2 से Na2O3 के साथ निकल रिएक्शन करके वो डिकलराइज हो गया. तो I2 इज द मेडिएटर. इसको हटा दो यार. तो 20 इंटू 0.3 ये क्या है? मिली इक्विवेलेंट्स. ओके ना, इंटू 20 इज इक्वल टू 25. आई थिंक आई ओके दिस वॉज नॉट Na2S2O3, सॉरी H2O2. 25 into x. So from this you can calculate the normality of 3 into 0.3 into this divided by 25. So 0.3 into 20 is 4 by 5 into 0.3. Okay, so this x will be, you can check it out, the x should be 0.24 normal. ठीक है, this is the value of x. So this is nothing but 0.2 normal. हो गया. Once you get the normality, it is easy for you to get the molarity, right? What is molarity? Then you know how to calculate. Normality is equal to n factor into molarity. n factor H2O2 के लिए 2 है, so molarity will be 0.12 मोलर. ठीक है, सो इसको क्या लिख 24 ना, 0.12 मोलर निकल गया. 0.12 मोलर you have already got. So when you have got 0.12 molar, what does this mean? 0.12 molar, don't need to consider this because 0.12 molar means इतना मोल्स in 1 liter, right? So 1 liter में इतना मोल्स है, हमको मालूम है. ठीक है, so I need to rub it now because I need some space. Now you need the equation because to find out the volume strength you need it. So 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2, 2 moles 22.4, 1 moles 11.2. ठीक है ना, कितना मोल्स है? 0.12 मोल्स. 0.12 मोल्स में 11.2 into 0.12. So this we will get 1.34 volumes. ठीक है, so such a big problem, if I write it, it will become 5-6 lines. You will face that, you will think that it is a tough problem. It is not a tough problem, it is just the concept of equivalence that you require in this problem. It was easy problem. So that is all for today for volume strength of H2O2. I hope all of you have understood the how to solve and convert to volume strength from molarity and also normality and even from the gram per liter. Thank you guys.